gonna be home.
What is it?
So we're gonna open a present today because I'm not gonna be here tomorrow. Okay. You want to help me open it?
That's for Collin.
It's for you.
Yeah, for me. Let's open it for me.
What is it?
A little bone napper. It's a little bone napper.
Whoa!
See?
Is that what you wanted?
Oh my God.
Yeah, let's open him.
Yeah, we gotta open that.
What do you say to Uncle Eddie?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you bring it?
Huh?
Uncle Eddie found one.
Uncle Eddie found one.
Uncle Eddie.
Here.
Let's open it. Open him.
Okay, a little complicated.
Is it what you always wanted, Collin?
Yeah. Can get every dragon. See, here he is.
He's a special edition, Collin. He's really cool.
What? It comes
This
with,
is the one, huh?
it comes with this
This is him.
Harry Kate. It comes with this songer. And it comes with his wings.
Does Uncle Eddie get a big hug?
Thank you for bringing this thing. Comes with a warrior. There's a bone napper once.
Let me see that guy. Boy, he's gotta eat some dinosaurs and stuff. He's thin.
You can't eat some dinosaurs. He got a wire because he lives in dragons.
Oh yeah.